I'm pleased that most of the voting stations throughout the country are open. I'm told more than 23,000 voting stations are open. There may be glitches there and there, but all I want to say is to call on all South Africans to go out and exercise their rights to vote. It's a right that we all fought hard for as South Africans. 30 years of democracy, we still remain a very strong democratic country, and our votes will ensure that we sustain that. So I'm quite happy that in most parts of the country the elections are proceeding peacefully, and we do hope throughout the day that will be the case. We do hope that by the end of the voting process everything would have gone well and South Africans would have exercised their rights. So we call upon everybody to go out. It does seem like there's a lot of excitement on the ground. Many people are coming out, and it's a good thing. I think a large voter turnout is good for democracy. Let people come out and vote.